Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can remove an app from your app library. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, write your comments. Let's get started. So, first of all, I generally want to show you how you can delete an app from the desktop screen. To do this, we need to select the application that we want to delete. Then we press and hold on it. And then we get the Remove App line. We click on it. Then we confirm our action by pressing Delete App and delete again. As you can see, in this way, the application is removed not only from the working screen, but completely from the phone. If we click on the app, click Remove App. Then we have another function Remove from home screen. If we select it, the app will not appear on the home screen, but it will be on the phone. What to do if you want to remove an application from the application library? In general, to get to the application library, you need to scroll to the last page of the working screen and swipe to the left side, like this. Now, once we're in the app library, we can see that all of our apps are organized into these groups. And you can either search for an app in one of the groups, or you can click on the search box and type in the name of the app. Or you can just search for an app by browsing through this menu. So once you find an app that you want to uninstall, you tap on it, but not on the name, but on the shortcut itself. That's how you get this little menu, where you also choose Delete. And if you want to delete it completely from the phone, you confirm the action by pressing Delete. But there is also such a situation that you have selected an application to remove it. You press Remove App. And for some reason, unfortunately, you will not have the line Delete App. Only remove from desktop screen. It happens. Now I will explain why and how to deal with it. If you have this situation, you'll have to go to the phone settings. You swipe and press Screen Time. Now we swipe and click here. Then we select iTunes and App Store purchases. And here we need to see if we have deleting apps active. So we click on that. And if you have Don't Allow checked like this, that means you can't delete the app from the screen. So if I try to delete something now, like I said, I won't have that line. In order to prevent this problem, we just need to activate this feature to be able to delete from the work screen. Now we go back, click on the app again, and now we have the Delete App function. I also want to warn you that there are some apps that cannot be deleted. For example, these are file apps, messages, phone book, or settings. Well, and some other applications. It is impossible to delete them because they are installed by default. And the only thing you can do with them is to click on them. You click Remove App. And you can only remove them from the desktop screen if you, for example, you don't want them here, if they bother you. And that's it. So that's just the way you can simply remove an app from your app library. And also just delete an app. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments. See you later.